Can you hear me?
I can hear you. So what am I typing?
MySQL. Just type MySQL. My.
My
Yeah.
SQL.
SQL. Yes. L. Yes. Enter. Yeah. So click on yes. Click on this MySQL.
You click this
Where is
one.
yes? Where it's highlighted. So go to your
Right, next.
download. Can you see download? Yeah. So
Yes,
yes, click on download.
I've done that.
Yeah, scroll down. Wait,
Scroll
it's
down.
okay. So click on this MySQL community GPL download.
Download.
Yes, yes,
I've seen it. My SQL community GPL download. Okay.
yes.
Okay, it has opened.
Okay. So you see at the last part, MySQL installer for Windows.
Windows.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let me click it. Okay.
Okay. So we'll be downloading the second one.
Okay.
Then you click on no thanks, just start my
Okay.
download.
I should click
Yes,
no thanks. Just
just
start my download.
yes.
I got here yesterday, so I don't know where I left it.
So it's downloading now. You can see the arrow.
Yeah,
Have you clicked on the arrow? Okay, it's going to install.
yes, you said prepare to install. Yeah.
Okay.
I should click yes or no. Where did you come up again?
Okay, click yes. Click
I
yes.
know this message comes up a lot.
Click yes. Click yes.
Okay. I'm sure you can see my screen now.
Mm-hmm. So you go to custom.
Custom.
Next. So you can see we have my SQL Server application documentation. So click on the plus sign.
Yes.
Click on the plus sign in front of the MySQL server.
Okay, I've done that.
Click on the other plus sign that popped up.
I've done that.
Click on the plus sign, the other plus sign again. Okay. So now
Yeah.
select this one that popped up now. Select it.
This last one,
Yes,
let's server is 8.0.
yes. Click on it. Then you can see
Okay.
the green arrow
Yeah.
telling you to proceed to be installed. That arrow.
Yes.
Yes. Click on it. So come back to this
Okay,
application.
I've done that.
The
Okay.
the plus sign in front of the applications.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see my SQL workbench. Click on the plus sign.
Okay.
Click on the plus sign again, the one that popped up. So
Okay.
select this and add.
To the other side.
Click the first arrow, yes, to add it to the other side. Yes.
Okay, I've
Then
done
go
that.
to my shell, my SQL shell. Click on the plus sign in front of it. Click on
Okay.
the plus sign again, the one that popped up. Yes. Then click on this and add.
I should add this one too.
Yes.
I should add it too.
Yes, add it. Yes. So
I've done that.
yeah, so this is the three products we're going to download from this. So you click on next.
Okay. I've done
So
that.
click on execute.
Execute. What do I do next?
Okay. Click I agree to the license term and
Hello, Ruth.
click on the I agree to the license terms and conditions. Yes.
Click install.
Yes. Close. Next.
Next.
Execute.
Execute.
Yeah.